Hi, Jenna here from Soul Rebels. Today I am going to be sharing with you my exercise for the day. Thank you for joining me. Today is going to focus on total body with a little more focus on the glutes. And no equipment needed, just a soft floor, maybe a yoga mat if you have that. And that's it. So we can get started with a warm-up and then we're just going to roll right into the workout. So first warm-up we're going to do is alternating high kicks. So we want to stand in an X position and we are going to touch our right fingers to our left toes, doing a high kick, and we're going to alternate sides. So let's start with 20 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4. Try to keep that core engaged. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Good. You should already start feeling your body getting a little bit warm. That's our blood getting circulated. Next warm up, we're going to do jumping jacks. Now if you're not okay with jumping, that's totally fine. We have a regression where we can just go side to side. Okay, so we'll start with 20 jumping jacks. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So that should get you feeling a little bit more warmer. Has me sweating already. Okay, so we're gonna work on 3 exercises today, and we are going to do 20 reps of each, and we're gonna go through them 3 times. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Work through them fairly quickly. Wanna get a little decent cardio in there. But we also want to keep the time limit down as well. I want this to be a quick, easy workout that you can do quickly before work, after work, whenever you have spare 15 minutes. So we're going to start with Sumo Squats. You want to take a nice wide stance, as wide as you can, while able to keep your knees over your toes as you squat down. If your knees want to buckle in, then bring your feet together a little more. It's all dependent upon your own flexibility. So get that nice wide stance. Tuck your pelvis under just a little bit. Keep your chest high, core activated, and we are just going to go straight down, trying to make a 90 degree with our knees. We'll do 20 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4. And as you push up, really push off of those heels and squeeze your glutes at the top. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'll switch to the side. Tuck your hips under a little. Keep your chest high. 11, 12, 13. Don't let your body collapse. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Good. You should feel those already. Next exercise, T-steps. This we are going to take a high plank position. Get your shoulders directly over your wrists here. High plank. And again, if you cannot do the high plank position, you can do this from your knees. We're going to be rotating our top torso and reaching our arm towards the ceiling. Get a nice stable base, activate your glutes, spread your feet apart. We are going to twist, pointing those fingers up towards the ceiling. 1, 10 each side. 2. Try not to sway those hips. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good. 8. Keep that core activated. 9, 10. Drop to the knees. Reposition yourself. We're going to work on the other side. Turn to the side here. High plank. Well, again, if you have to drop to your knees, this is what it's going to look like. Bring out your leg to stabilize yourself on the side that you're going to be rotating up. So here you go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice controlled movements. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Whew. Good job. These will still get you warmed up. This almost feels like a warm-up. But each set that you do, you're gonna feel stronger and stronger, I promise. All right, our third exercise, donkey kicks. Get down on all fours. Shoulders over your wrists, hips over your knees. We'll start with our left leg. You wanna keep a nice neutral back here. Don't let it dip. And you don't wanna round your back either. So nice neutral back. We are going to flex that foot, and keeping a 90-degree angle, you want to kick up towards the ceiling. Okay, you want to go as high as you can before your back wants to arch. Okay, so stop just before that point. 1, 2, really try to kick that heel up. 3, 4, 5, 6. Stay looking down at the ground. You don't want to twist your neck up. 8, 9, 10. Good. Switch sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. Reach up towards that ceiling. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Whew. Good job. First set done. We'll go right into our second set. Take a couple of seconds if you need. Catch your breath. Sumo squats. 1, 2, 3. Keep that core nice and tight, chest up. 3, 4. Really squeeze those glutes. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13. You should start feeling the burn in your glutes, and maybe right in between your glutes and your hamstring, that crest right there. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. That's a good burn. That'll lift your butt. All right, T-stabs. Get down in the plank position. can drop to your knees if you have to. If you want to challenge yourself, get up in that high plank. One, two, controlled movements, don't just drop down. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Switch to the other side. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold it. 8. 2 more. 9 and 10. Good job. Whew. Starting to feel those. I'm gonna take a few seconds here, catch my breath, reconnect with my body. We'll get down and do our donkey kicks. All fours. Want to take that heel up to the ceiling. Don't arch your back. Keeping everything nice and stable. 1, 2. Control your movement. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Switch sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, last one, 10. Good job. How you feeling so far? I'm getting a pretty good workout. Starting to sweat. That's good. I know I'm working. All right, this is our last round, our last set. This is usually my best set. I feel like everything's nice and warmed up throughout my body. I'm making those nice mind-body connections and everything feels strong. So really take advantage of this last set. Sumo squats. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, squeeze those glutes as hard as you can. 3, push those hips forward at the top, squeeze. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These also give you a really nice stretch on your inner thighs. 10. Those hip flexors. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Keep going. 17. Feel that burn. 18. Feels good. 19, 20. Good job. Okay? Down for T-stabs. I'll show you from the front position this time. All right. High plank position. Let's go. 1, keeping that core nice and engaged. 2, 3, 4, 5, you got it. 6, hold nice and strong. 7, 8, 9, one more. 10, good. Drop to your knees. If you need to, take a little stretch. Catch your breath. And we'll switch sides. One, 2, 3. Control your movement. 4. You'll want to try to fast forward through these, but keep controlled. This is where you get the benefit. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last one. 10. Woo. Those are tough, I'm not gonna lie. That gets that whole body. Whole body. All right. Last but not least, donkey kicks. And then that's it. Okay, hang in there, you can do it. On all fours, shoulders over the wrists, hips over the knees. Okay, keep that 90-degree angle with your knees. 1. Keep your back neutral. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2 more, 9, 10. Switch sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Almost there, hang in there. 7, 8, feel it in that glute. 9, last one. 10. Woo. And we're done. That's it. Easy. Thank you all for joining me today. Very grateful that you watched this video. I hope you found it helpful, and I hope it made you feel good. Made your body feel good, helped your mind feel good. Maybe you're just starting your day, maybe you're just ending your day. Either way, it's great to keep your body moving. So thank you again for joining me. I do appreciate it. And please feel free to leave a comment below, like this video, subscribe so we can provide you with some more workouts, quick and easy workouts. Bye.